The equation y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus 1 is called the point-slope equation for the line with slope m and that contains the points x sub 1, y sub 1. Y sub 1 and x sub 1 are from the point, and m is the slope that's described here with our rise over run. Let's take a look at using the point-slope equation to solve for an equation of a line. When we have the point-slope equation, the x and the y remain as variables. It's the m for slope and the x sub 1 and y sub 1 that are replaced by the information that's given. And in this information, in this particular example, we have the point 4, 5, and we have a slope of a rise of -3 per run of 2. Replacing the x coordinate with the value from the particular point, we replace that with 4. Our y coordinate of the given point is 5. That replaces the y sub 1 in the general form of the point-slope equation. Furthermore, we'll put the ratio of our rise over run in the place of the slope here, the coefficient of this quantity, so -3 over 2, resulting in our equation of this line in point-slope form. In this next example, we're given a point and slope and asked to find the equation of the line. Again, the coordinates of the point, which are the subscripted variables, along with the slope, get replaced. The x and y remain as foundations for the equation of the line. So let's fill in those values. We have the point with coordinates 2, -5 that will replace our x sub 1 and y sub 1 in the formula. And the slope here, we have a rise of 2 with a run of -6. The x coordinate of the given point is 2. That goes in this place. The y coordinate is -5, going here on the left side of the equation for the y sub 1. And the last step is to fill in the slope, rise over run. We have a +2 rise for a -6 run. And then simplifying this equation, we can reduce that slope to a -1/3, and there we have an equation for this line. Every point on the line is a solution of this equation, which is considered in point-slope form.